So today I will tell you about my goals of ambition in life. When I was a kid, because I don't really have a dream, I start to think when I grow up, I will be a teacher. But after I become a elementary student, I start to think that my dream to become a teacher, it will not happen. But But because I don't think about another dream that time, so when my friend or my teacher asks me about my dream, I will just answer that I will be a teacher. So when my last year of being a senior high school student, I start to think psychology on and information technology or engineering as my passion to start a college life. I really start to think what I want in my future, what I will gonna be. But also at the same time, I think that become a real international relation student is good for me. And then I become an international relations student and meet many new friends. I'm really happy of what I become now. So for my future dream, I'm gonna start to study hard, and then I think I will become someone who work for foreign corporation. So for my dream, I wish I will achieve that because apa because work from foreign corporation it's so so good for achievement. So I really want. So I really wish I can be someone who will achieve that dream.